how to withdraw money from freelancing apps to your bank. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from freelancing apps like Upwork or Fiverr straight into your bank account. Just make sure to stick with me till the end because I'll also cover common issues and how to avoid them. So let's get right into it. All right, so you've landed some gigs on Upwork and now you're ready to get paid. First, open Upwork on your device, tap the profile icon in the top right, and head over to Settings. Here, click on Get Paid. This is where all your payment methods are managed. If you haven't already, click on Add a Payment Method. Now you've got a few options here: direct bank transfer, Payoneer, or even PayPal. If you want the money straight to your bank, simply go with direct transfer. Tap on Setup. You'll be asked to enter your account details or account SWIFT code. Just make sure the name on your bank matches the name on your Upwork profile. Once you've added the method, Upwork might take 2 to 3 days to verify it. After your method is verified, head back to the Get Paid page, and now you'll see a Withdraw Now button. Tap that, select the payment method you added, type in the amount you want to withdraw, and confirm. That's it. Upwork will send the money over. For most banks, it'll take about 1 to 3 business days. If you ever run into problems like payment stuck in processing or delays, it's usually because your method hasn't been verified yet or your bank details are incorrect. You can always reach out to Upwork support, and they're actually pretty responsive with payment issues. So that's how you withdraw money from freelancing app to your bank account. Hope this helped. If it did, please hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.